What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me and from a little bit of the B-roll before, it's raining. So we're still doing Vlogmas. Still have things to do. So far, we've pumped out 6 Vlogmas videos, which is pretty good for me. I'm trying to get to 10 this year. Well, we're finally gonna tackle the issue I've been fighting on this 4Runner for about 2 years now. I don't know if this is gonna fix it. So for any of my Toyota guys out there, if this fixes it, I will write a comment and let you know. All right, guys, so the issue I'm having, the right side taillight, running light does not work. The brake light does work. On the left side, it's the exact opposite. The brake light doesn't work, but the running light does work. I've given up. I've already replaced the right side taillight. I've replaced the bulbs. I've pulled out a multimeter, I've checked everything. It's like when I pull it out, everything's getting power to the right place. But I'm assuming it's getting power, but I guess the board is busted and it's not sending that power to the proper channel. At this point, I bought 2 new taillights. Supposedly this is a common issue. Supposedly by replacing your taillight, that fixes it. Then I started thinking like, maybe they're both busted and that's what's causing them both not to work. So that's what it's looking like with the lights on. You can see the left side is on and the right side is off. Let off, hit the brakes again. All right, guys, so as you can see from the video, the tail light works on the left side, brake light doesn't work. On the right side, brake light works and the tail light doesn't. At this point, I've given up. I've already replaced the right side. I said, okay, both of these are now busted in some form or fashion, so we're gonna replace both of them. Hopefully that fixes the issue. Let's just jump right into this work. Let's go. All right, guys, Lil PA is on his way out here. We're gonna fire the truck up. Yep, we got him. All right, go ahead and let off. Hit him again.
I'm gonna have to charge you $2.
See what I mean, guys? This little kid is dual hustling me. He's straight hustling me. All right, guys, so to enter Super Clean giveaway number 2, just tell me what you do when it rains. You can say nothing. You can say you sit on the couch, watch movies, play board games, puzzles, go to the movies, sleep. Just tell me what you do when it rains. You can even go ride your 4 when it rains. I really don't care. Just drop a comment in the comment section what you do when it rains. You'll be automatically entered into Super Clean giveaway number 2. Shout out to Super Clean for sponsoring this giveaway. It is greatly appreciated. Still have more big companies that have joined the giveaway, so stay tuned for those giveaways. Again, shout out to Super Clean for sponsoring the giveaway. It is greatly appreciated. They've been sponsoring the channel since the beginning of time. So shout out to them. Guys, shameless plug. Got the Hangin with PA hoodie on. I believe this is the Stay Humble, Stay Hungry hoodie. If you have not purchased yours, go head over to the website, hanginwithpa.com. Check out the merch. Got a lot of other new stuff coming too, guys. I'm pumped for 2022. I'll be honest with you guys, I am pumped. Everyone that has already purchased merch, your orders went out yesterday. That's just another day hanging out with your boy PA. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.